I'd like to show you a case that I got for the drone Epix 5. I bought this at Walmart. It's a Keter case. It's in the tools section of Walmart. It cost me $11.97, and all you have to do is take your original packing that comes with your drone, and I advise don't paint this red or any color because it'll eat through the styrofoam. But as you see, it's minimal. It stores everything in the toolbox. It's almost built for it. All I had to do is kind of put little grooves here around the sides, and you see these little plastic pieces, and I did hollow out the center so I could put the controller down here and make it easy to take everything at once. As you see, we got the batteries or anything else. You have all these open pockets that you could put your stuff in, but save you some money. You can go to Walmart, or I'll put the link to the toolbox in the video. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be coming out with more videos in the future. Thank you.